everybody? My name is Jason with Boat Work Play. I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you all for who subscribed, and thank you all for the thumbs up. I got a lot more content coming up. I got a 42-foot Cigarette Revolution with triple 572s, each pushing over 700 horsepower, over 725 and foot-pounds of torque. It's going to be a monster. It's going to be a great project. It's been 2 years in the making. I moved to Missouri, and so stay tuned. I'll have more videos to come. We'll be bringing the boat to the Ozarks, so it's a great spot, great time, and I appreciate you guys' support. So stay tuned and take care. Thank you.
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done. Oh my God, when I see you I should it right, but I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop. Feeling feelings I feel about us. Try to fight it, but it's never enough. It's more than a crush, 'cause I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes 'cause my heart goes oh my God, can't believe what I've become. I'm thinking things I shouldn't think, singing songs I've never sung. And my head tells me to stop. Feeling feelings I feel about us. Try to fight it, but it's never enough. My heart is hurting, it's more than a crush, 'cause I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes